Forgotten username recovery failed on IG Trading Fix. If you've tried recovering your IG Trading username without success, most people make the mistake of rushing the process or using the wrong email. You won't believe how simple it can be to regain access when you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the IG Trading app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. IG Trading will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically. Avoid multiple recovery attempts too quickly, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, collect verification details such as your full name, date of birth, phone number, and recent trading activity. Contact IG Trading support directly with this information. Details about recent trades or linked accounts can help speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is restored, store it safely in a password manager and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your IG Trading account efficiently and securely, keeping your investments and trading activities uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are essential for smooth account access.